You come up with your own story of it, which makes it my creation, your imagination. Your canvas was blank. However, that canvas that was blank was always full. And we are here. We are all here, and we are out there in the world.
If you have a talent, use it.
What is your experience like from being on the Phase Lounge podcast?
I want to say thank you. I want to say, thank you for the process.
So, Tasia, welcome to the Phase Knowledge Podcast. I just have one question. Why my creation, your imagination? Did I say that right? Okay.
So, it's basically my business is called My Creation, Your Imagination. Due to, everyone have their own mind of thought. Everyone have their own, beliefs, their own path of being on this world. So I'm just I'm just a drawer. My art is not the perfect, so I do perfect and non-perfect art. You come up with your own story of it, which makes it my creation, your imagination.
My imagination is saying that you can draw. Because when I went to art class, my pictures didn't look nothing like this. I had a blank canvas, and my blank canvas looked better being blanked. But you, on the other hand, is very creative because you let your mind just create different things that you see, and then you let the other person's imagination explain your creation.
Exactly.
How did you learn how to do that?
Because we all have it, we all have a good talent. Like you just said, your canvas was blank. However, that canvas that was blank was always full with something. So it's we gotta bring it out. We gotta put it on paper. We create our own day. So it comes from that. My passion is to spread it around the world. Have everyone have a creative mind. It starts off with shapes. The world starts off with shapes and vibrations. If you can put it on something, put it together, you made it.
So I like how you have your family behind you. You got your mom holding the picture. You got your brother recording you. So I was raised by a single mom who raised 3 boys by herself. And like that family dynamic is so important because all of y'all are doing the same exact thing and pursuing a particular goal. What was your biggest failure before the creation, before you had the idea to put your thoughts on the canvas? What was your biggest failure?
My biggest failure was riding a bike with training wheels. Yes. Yep. So it's okay, to take off the training wheels and, protect yourself. It's okay to fail before you uplift yourself. It starts from there and you work your way through.
I definitely agree. So we're at the Biz Temple Business Expo. What is your biggest takeaway so far?
My biggest what?
Your biggest takeaway?
Takeaway? Just the souls and humans here. Everyone, deserve to have a team, have a good, welcoming team. And we are here. We are all here, and we are out there in the world. You know, we come together as one nation. We are all one nation.
I definitely agree. And you're doing great, by the way. You're doing great, by the way. And last question: what does how what is your experience like from being on the Phase Lounge podcast?
I want to say thank you. I want to say, thank you for the process. Of thinking, helping others as we all help each other.
This is great. This is great. Taser, how can people learn more about you? How can they learn more about my creation, your imagination?
Yes. Art by Tasia Kirk. The Kirk family, my mother back here, a good supporter. We tend to make the world one. Thank you.
I appreciate y'all. Y'all did great. Go ahead. Go ahead.
And I also would like to inform all the parents that's out there in the earth. It's great to support your children. It's great to support the journey. It's great to also say failure is not an option. If you have a talent, use it. Support your children. Support everything that they do from day of birth. And love is going to be the key to cleansing the earth. Welcome to the earth and welcome to your journey.
And there you have it. This was great. I appreciate you all.